Hi Carlos, thank you for allowing me to shoot this customized video for you. I did some pretty deep research on Northeast and here is what I have come up with. All right, so when a customer Google's Landscape Bellevue, what first comes up here is what's called the map pack. Ideally, of course, you want to be in the top three. These are the three that show up when any searcher is looking for your services. Now, I did dig into this a little bit, and you are on the map pack. I do have you in 21st place, and so that's pretty far down there. It's actually even on the second page. And the problem is that customers aren't going to go this far searching for your business, right? So here you are, and that's great that there is already one. The information is filled out, website, and so forth. Pictures look good. This is excellent. Reviews are good. However, we need to get you higher up in those standings to be in the first couple that I was just mentioning. All right, so that's the first thing. Now, below the map pack in any search results is what's called the organic listings, and that's what is right down here. Both are equally important because this is what searchers are going to see immediately when they are looking for your services. All right. So ideally, you want to be in the top three of this map pack up here. And then, of course, you want to be as close to the top as you can down here in these organic listings. All right. So what I did was I went ahead for the organic search and looked in the first couple pages, and I didn't see Northeast coming up in the first couple pages. And to be completely honest with you, I didn't go any further because the fact of the matter is that your future customers are not going to go any further than that either, right? So what I did was I pulled a comparison of your top competitor, which happens to be Green Spaces Landscape. They are right here. And I'll go over exactly why this is happening and how we can beat them out. So all right, first of all, here's your website. I love the logo. This picture is absolutely beautiful. I love how you've got the Home Advisor button here. That's wonderful. The first thing that stands out to me, and probably one of the most crucial things, is content. Google constantly crawls the internet at all times. And what they are looking for is 1,500 words of command content on the main page of any web page, right? So now when I ran the numbers on your site, there is only 194 words of content on your main site. So that definitely has to be brought up. This is what's going to build your credibility with Google because this is what they're looking for, right? You've got some different pages up here, and that's wonderful, but there just needs to be a whole lot more content within the page, right? Now, and additionally, aside from just the 1,500 words of content, is we need keywords sprinkled throughout that content. So this is what's going to bring you up and up and up in the rankings, okay? So let's take a look at your number one competitor, which is Green Spaces. Okay, so now if we look at their website, it's got some good pictures and stuff too. Again, same issue. When we're scrolling down, there's some great images, but the problem is there's not enough content. There is some more content than what you guys have, and I ran their numbers, and they're at about 633 words. But again, Google wants to see 1,500 words of command content because what that does is that allows them to match you to your future customers and the people that are searching for your direct services. So that part's crucial. Now, what I also did was I pulled the comparisons of both websites in a tool that I have that gives us all of the data and factors for each site. So first, here is your website. Now, the two things that I just want to point out that are the most important is your UR and your DR rating. Now, what your UR rating is your trust rating that Google assigns for the site. Your DR rating is your power rating that Google assigns. How these two numbers are generated are a product of backlinks. So it looks like you've got 114 backlinks to your site. Again, a backlink is essentially just a shout out from another site. Another site has included a link that directly links back to your site, and it just gives you credibility. All right. Now with backlinks, quality is far more important than quantity. Um, it's crucial that the backlinks that are coming in are of high relevance, or else this is not going to build your trust and power rating, okay? So now, when I'm looking at your site, again, 114 backlinks, your trust and your power rating, and it looks like you got 98 organic keywords throughout your site. You're getting traffic of about 346 people a month. Okay, so then let's take a look at the comparison. So the person, your number one competitor is Green Spaces. Their trust rating, their power rating. Now they've got 472 backlinks coming into their site, and they are ranking for 555 keywords sprinkled throughout theirs. Now they're bringing in 711 people a month, and the good news here, though, is they are easily beatable. You could outrank and take their spot with, various steps. That 1,500 words of key content on your main page that I was talking about. We need a bunch more organic keywords sprinkled throughout that site, and then backlinks. Build up your backlinks, and with quality ones, not quantity, and then for the map pack at the beginning, I'm sorry, I should have gone over that a little better. What we need to do is you need more citations. So what a citation is anytime that your business name, your address, and your telephone number are listed in Google, you get a citation. Now you're sitting at 21 in that map pack listing at the beginning that I explained. So additional citations, far beating your competitors, would bring you right up those ranks as well. Now, with citations, it's a little different than backlinks because quantity is far more important than quality. So you just want to have, be out ranking your competitor with citations by a landslide versus the backlinks here where we're worried about quality. So I hope that information was valuable to you, and I really look forward to hearing from you.